Nutritious and delicious chicken with pesto sauce.
Hi, it's Jandy Audrey, and today chicken gets an Italian accent. This is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way.
It's full of flavor and loaded with nutrition, and pesto chicken's great taste happens with just a few ingredients. Here's what you'll need. A chicken breast, organic or air-chilled, is the tastiest. 1 large lemon, some fresh garlic, minced fine, apple cider vinegar, chicken broth, salt and pepper, and herbs, basil, and oregano, fresh or dried. Now here are 2 helpful tools for this dish. A mini prep to make the pesto, and a scale so you can weigh out a 3.5-ounce piece of chicken. So let's get cooking. Squeeze enough lemon juice for 3 tablespoons. For the chicken breast, you can leave it whole or make slices halfway through. Then place it in a glass dish and pour the lemon juice over top. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and then refrigerate to marinate for several hours or overnight. For the pesto, it starts with delicious herbs.
Not only do herbs spice up this dish, they're so good for you. For example, basil is a powerful antioxidant. It's high in vitamin A and C and calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. And oregano is considered a super spice because it has the highest amount of antioxidants than any other herb.
You'll prep all of your ingredients and then add them to the mini prep. 1/4 cup of basil, 3 cloves of the minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can also use salt and pepper to taste. Now blend it all together. This combination brings a delicious brightness to the meal. And now let's pan grill the chicken. Spray your skillet with some 0-calorie cooking spray. Cook the chicken until browned on both sides and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. The pesto chicken will pair beautifully with a nutritious red pepper. I've roasted the pepper, then peeled off the skin and sliced it in strips. Then all you need is a little salt and pepper. When the chicken is just about cooked, spoon the pesto over the top and your dish is done. This pesto chicken is so light and satisfying and the perfect meal to keep you on your diet regimen without giving up a thing. Another great idea from the Red Mountain Clean Eating Kitchen.
For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.